3, 2, 1, action. Today's Chase's Star Wars Lego review. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Chase, tell us all about this Lego.
Today, we're reviewing set 75337, the atte Walker.
Whoa, tell me about this guy. Well, first of all, how many parts is this?
I actually don't know. Let's see. 1,082 pieces.
1,082 pieces? And you put this together all in one day?
Yeah.
How long do you think it took you to build?
Maybe like 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours? All in one sitting you did this?
Just to start with, every Lego set, a little bit of droids to defeat this giant monstrosity. But stay here, I'm going to get something that can actually defeat this. Now I'm back with this Mr. Kitty of Doom. Okay, time for you to put it away.
Tell me about the atte Walker. What's it from? Is it from the Clone Wars? Is it from
Star Wars, Attack of the Clones, and Revenge of the Sith.
Okay.
So are on Utapau and Geonosis. So let's get into the play features. You have a giant turret that can spin around and move up and down. Stud shooters.
Wait, what are those green things?
I don't really want to. Okay, I'll do them.
Whoa, that's a good way to lose it.
Yep, that's why I don't shoot them that much.
All right, see if you can find it real quick. Did you see where it went?
Nope. Okay, I'm going to get the spares. Got a spare.
All right, so apparently these little green things are very losable, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now, on the turret, what guy is on the turret shooting?
So right now we have a clone, a 212 gunner, phase 2.
No, excuse you with the burp. 212 gunner, phase 2?
Yep.
Okay.
Phase 2.
This turret is 360 degrees or no? Oh, wow. I like how it kind of rotates. It like jiggles as it rotates. Oh, and the cannon goes up and down?
Yep. You have all of these bubble turrets.
All right.
Well, not bubble turrets, just like turrets.
Yeah.
They look like bubbles.
I like how we get to stare at your feet, too, while we look at your Star Wars figure.
So we can move these bubble turrets all around.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to call them bubble turrets. I know they're not, but... So that's a pretty cool feature. But another one of my favorites are...
Whoa. What's in there?
It's a little pilot for...
So it's a clone?
Yeah, it's a clone to pilot the atte.
All right, go ahead. What else?
Another feature is in the back. With more of the ball turrets.
Mm-hmm.
But unclip this.
Oh, it opens up too?
Yep.
Who's in there?
You have some of 212 troopers.
Mm-hmm.
Then Commander Cody himself.
Commander Cody. Now, are all these figures that are on the box with this Lego kit?
Yeah.
Like these are the droids, right?
Yep. I did have a battle pack and put some troopers in here before, but I took them out.
Mm-hmm. So all of that was in there the whole time, and it just closes. Yep. Does it close up easily?
Yeah.
Does it feel like it's going to break, or does it feel like it's pretty sturdy?
Very sturdy.
What happens if you drop it? Will it break if you drop it?
100%.
100%, okay.
But okay, another feature is this carrying handle.
Oh, nice.
Hint to the next video. This carrying handle is going to be needed in that video. And / dropship. Wait.
Dropship?
Yeah. There's going to be a dropship.
Is that a teaser to your next video?
Yep.
Okay. So that's pretty easily carryable, huh?
Yep. And then, goodbye, mister. You're going to be lifted up into abyss.
Oh, what's in there?
You have a little bit more extra space. You can take out this thing to put troopers in.
How many troopers do you think it carries?
3 things. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 troopers.
Still, it's pretty cool carry, but that's not what it's made for. It's made for firepower. This thing has turrets and guns all over it. So even if 6 legs, if one gets shot down, this thing's still standing. 2 get shot down, this thing's still standing.
Wow.
So that's really cool. But one of my favorite features about it is this. It doesn't have.
Oh, it can walk, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't have a mechanic to walk.
You're making it walk.
Yeah, it doesn't have a mechanic to walk like the 2007 atte, but still, you can make it walk and actually walk how it would in the movies.
Seems like the middle legs are kind of useless.
Yep.
Are they necessary? They come off that simply?
Yep, they're not even in use.
Wow.
They're just there because they had them in the movies.
I liked how when you dropped that to the ground, those legs kind of dangle.
Yeah.
Do they connect easily?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already connected, huh?
Yeah, and look at, and this thing is so stable when you drop it. Doesn't matter where you drop it, but look at, this guy might fall out a bit, but.
Oh.
See, legs are dangling, automatically fall into position.
We lost some parts. So let's maybe not do that. So 1,082 pieces.
Yep.
What does the 75,337 mean on the box?
This?
Yeah.
That is its set number to verify it's the set
number.
in a lot of things.
Well, that's pretty neat.
Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Get into it?
Yeah.
More than we already have? What is there to get into? Show me. Okay. What do you want to show me?
Put this at the beginning of the video, like before.
Well, just show me what they are.
Yeah, I'll do it at the end.
Okay. These are the minifigs that it comes with.
Start filming.
So if I'm looking at the box, I see Commander Cody, 212 Clone Trooper, 212 Clone Trooper, 4 212 Clone Troopers.
Well, technically.
Oh no, a gunner.
Yeah, then there's one gunner, 3 battle droids to fight off of this monstrosity, and a dwarf spider. That's a okay thing to have against it.
3 battle droids, a gunner, 2 troopers, 3 troopers, and Commander Cody.
And a dwarf spider.
And are they all supposed to look like Commander Cody? Is he like the lead?
Yeah, Commander Cody is the controller of all of the 212.
Oh,
so that's why they all look like him.
Okay. So if their helmets come off, they all look like Commander Cody.
Yep, they're all clones of him. I'm just going to do one for example.
Yep, okay. There's Commander Cody. All right.
Yep. Just there's no difference between them besides Commander Cody has leadership and better fighting skills.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, that is pretty elaborate.
So that is the set review of set 75337 ATTE Walker. My giving, it's a great set. Recommend buying it. It should, I don't know if it's going into retirement, but when it does, it should drop prices to 110 out of 140.
It was $140 now, retail?
Yeah.
Cool.
So my review is 9.5. It's a really awesome set. I recommend buying it.
Okay, cool.
Goodbye. And remember to subscribe and like.